Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to chat with the crypto.com customer service. So here's a quick guide on how to do that. So there are different methods at which you can go through to chat or reach out to the customer service. But in this video, I'm going to walk you through just two methods. So the first method is to live chat the customer support. Then the other one is to call, just to reach out in the in-app using the chat bot or the chat support. So to get started with how you can simply reach out to them using the live chat. So crypto.com offer a 24/7 live chat support through their official website. So to initiate the chat, you just visit the chat.crypto.com, then click on the start chat, then provide your details and describe your issue. And also a support agent will typically respond within 10 minutes. Sometimes it might be more than that. Then the other method is just to use the in-app settings. So just use the app, which is the chat support in the app. So if you are using the crypto mobile app, open the app and log into your account using your account credentials, then navigate to the settings, then from there click on help center, then select contact support to start a chat with the representative. This method is convenient for addressing account specific issue. So that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.